This video shows how to buy shares of Enersense International Oyj. Enersense is a Finnish industrial services and energy infrastructure company listed on CBOE Europe under the ticker ESENSE.HE. This is an educational guide, not financial advice. To buy shares, you need a broker, and we use eToro as an example to demonstrate the process. After registering, you will need to verify your account, usually with an identity document, and add funds to enable purchases. Use the platform search bar and enter the ticker ESENSE.HE to find the correct listing. Confirm the result matches Enersense International Oyj before proceeding. Open the stock page to review basic company information and the price chart. Make sure the company name and ticker show ESENSE.HE to confirm this is the right asset. Click Invest or Buy, enter the amount you want to invest, then carefully review the order details and confirm. If the market is closed, the order may be queued or executed at the next session. And if you lack funds, the platform will prompt you to add money before confirming. Once executed, your position will appear in your portfolio, so you can monitor it. A link to eToro is in the description if you want to explore the platform further.